I wanted to learn how to make a difference in my community.
I saw it as a great opportunity to test myself and push myself to my limits.
I've gained just about everything, whether it be interview prep skills, whether it be how to make an accurate 911 call, saving someone's life with CPR.
I've learned how to deploy hose, enter a building that is on fire, learn about fire dynamics.
You get your high school credits as well as college credits through PCC, as well as CPR certification.
If you're thinking about whether it's worth it or not, I'd say that it is. It teaches you all about things in different aspects of your life that can apply to multiple different things.
My goals for the future are to attend PCC, then AMR while I test for a firefighting career position.
I'm going to college in California. I'm also doing a cadet program they have in Orange County.
I plan on getting my EMT certification and working for AMR.